How to get the code on KuCoin updated. Most people get this wrong by expecting KuCoin to send codes automatically via email. The surprising truth is that two-factor authentication is generated by apps for maximum security. Start by enabling in your KuCoin account settings. Choose Google Authenticator or Authy. The app will generate a QR code. Scan it with your Authenticator app. Once scanned, the app produces a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter this code on KuCoin to complete login, withdrawal, or security actions. You won't believe how simple it is once set up. Back up your secret key in a safe place. If you lose your phone, you can restore codes and prevent being locked out of your account. For added security, enable email or SMS verification for withdrawals. This adds another layer while keeping as the main protection. In conclusion, getting a code on KuCoin involves setting up an Authenticator app, scanning the QR code, and entering the temporary code during login or transactions. Proper setup ensures maximum account security and peace of mind.